Assalamu alaikum. This is Babul Hassan. Welcome to my another new video once again. How are you everyone? I hope everyone is okay. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. In this video, I love to discuss the most important idiom, that is back on your feet. Back on your feet, it means when you are healthy after being sick, or successful after having problem. There are many situations we can use this idiom. Situation number one: suppose your friend is sick, and after seeing your friend, you say, "Don't worry, friend. You will be back on your feet very soon." So, in this situation, we can use this idiom and make our conversation in advance way. Situation number two, that is, we lost our first match. Finally, we able to back on our feet. Finally, back on our feet. So it means we lost our first match, but finally we able to win the match. Back on our feet, it means we able to become successful, right? So we can use this idiom and make our conversation in advance way. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.